Make a great choice today with 2010 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, heated seats, aluminum wheels, cruise control electronic with set and resume speed, universal garage door opener, center armrest, power windows, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.